Won't you just come my way?
Come in.
Baby, won't you just take your time?
Okay. Hey y'all, ow. Okay, listen, I know it's been a minute since I've had this conversation with y'all, but I wanted to give y'all a life update of what happened when we went to like court after, because remember I told y'all he sent me to court because he wanted to get his child support reduced. Y'all, hold on, first off, why is y'all so far? Come close, baby, let me see. Yeah, okay, girl, shoot, you go far away. Hey, I don't, girl, you gotta be all up in my business, all up in my face, all up in my space, okay? Back to what I was saying, though. But yeah, so I was so scared. Remember I told y'all I was shook. I've been out here really scared that the whole case was not gonna go good and everything was not gonna turn out the way I wanted it, and I was scared. So, the results are in.
When it comes to 2-month-old Cap the second, Cap.
This man sat over here and really was trying it, okay? So he took me to court to get smaller child support payments. They doubled it, okay? And I know that's right, because you was sitting over here trying to play with me. You didn't even, that's the crazy part. Baby daddies don't even be knowing what you was really getting. Like, you didn't know what I literally asked them to minimize your payments, make them small. And now you got to pay all this money because you want to play with your life and you want to play with God. And God, I told you, I be telling y'all, God don't play about me. God don't play at all. He don't play about me. He don't play about that little girl. He don't play about nothing. You don't know near God, that takes care of me, make it work for me, put in work for me. You don't know near God, that makes a way for me, do things for me, make a way for me. You don't know near God, you don't know near God, cause they got different type of gods, but you don't know near God, that make way for me, make it drip, make me hot and slay often. You don't know near God at all. Because God be making it, okay? God be making my enemies look like, wait, what? Why is she doing this? Why is she so bad? She's so amazing. Like, why is he making a way out of no way in her life? Why is he making things work out for her? Why? What is she doing? How can I get some of that? How can I get some of, her positive energy, her vibe? How can I be as bomb as she is? How can I be as wonderful as she is? Yo, how can I be her? Lord, help me. That's what my haters are saying. And God is like, Mo, you gonna be all right. I was sad, y'all. I've been over here, like, I was literally scared. But look, God made a work, did he not? God made a way out of no way, did he not? He's the beginning, the end, the way and the truth and the light. Of course. You really look at you. You looking sad. You look so dumb right now. Thinking they were gonna reduce your child support. But because you got greedy, they turned around and doubled it. Please, don't play with me. I told you you were getting a deal, but you didn't trust. I was coming out of my way to help you stay up, but you put on quite a show. Really had me going. Now you got double child support. Really thought you was winning. You didn't care about your child. You really thought God didn't have me, but ooh, aren't you surprised? You really try to play me, but got played. Cause you know that my God made sure that I'm slayed. And you put on quite a show. Really had me going. Now it's time, you know that God has me. Cause he does. Listen, I got that court paper today. I was sitting over here stressed. I was over here like, well, what does this read? What does this mean? What is this? I literally went in and looked through all the paperwork, and y'all, yeah, so it happened like that, like that. Cause you was trying to play with me, and now look at you. Look how you looking. Look, you're looking sad, miserable. You're looking, And it's not even, cause my thing is, it's not even about like money wise, My thing is, people should take care of their children. That's just plain, that's the simple as day. People should take care of their children, make sure their kids are provided for in a safe home, a decent home. And if two people have children, they should equally be responsible for that child. I don't feel like one person should be above another person. I'm not a slave. No. And he shouldn't be treated like a slave either. We should both be able to provide for our child. He felt like he was not and should not be obligated to take care of his child. And at this point, I'm tired of playing those type of games. You are obligated. You are obligated to step up and do what you need to do. And that's just, it is what it is. And I was trying to make it smaller, knowing that it wasn't enough, because I felt like you weren't able to, you know, be on your feet. I felt sorry for you, so I was trying to help you. And you got greedy and you were like, no, nah, man, I shouldn't be getting nothing paid, so I want it smaller. Literally went there and tried to get it smaller when in actuality you already wasn't doing enough. And you felt so bad because you're like, well, they took my taxes, after months of building up towards that. Like, they was building up, and I kept on telling you, you should pay, and you said, I'm not, they gonna have to take it from me, I ain't just going out and paying nothing. Now look, and they taking it, and you feeling some type of way. My issue is, it's a teamwork, and you don't feel like you need to be a part of the team, and that's a problem, you know? Y'all, I hope I never have to go through that situation or deal with that. It's just the most stressful situation. I don't know. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how things are. I told him I'm definitely gonna allow him to see her. I'm a little scared though, because like I said, people do act weird with money. People do a lot of crazy stuff about money. But I told him I was gonna allow him to come and get her. My thing is, it just has to be set a certain type of way. If you're getting her, let me know ahead of time that you're getting her. What time are you gonna get her? For how long are you gonna get her? Is she gonna be provided for when you get her? You're gonna be able to drop her back home? Because before, I used to go and drive and drop her. I told myself I'm not doing that anymore. You have to provide transportation to be able to get my child and make sure she's safe in your care. I have to allow you to be a father, allow you to take care of your responsibility, because don't nobody make it easy for me to take care of my responsibility. So I gotta let you grow up. And that's, you know, what I've been trying my hardest to do. So if he's able to come here and get her and make sure she's safe and all of that, then I'm fine with it. I want my baby to be as safe as possible. I want her to be in the safest environment, and I don't mind him seeing her and spending time with her. But you will be responsible for her, as I am. It shouldn't be the mother gets all the responsibility, suffering. And what's crazy is, he's made it so hard for me to want other children, because this situation has really like scared the bejesus out of me to wanting kids. And you know, my current now wants children, and I've just been so shook, so scared, that I like, not only just because I want to be at a certain level financially, but I also want to know that, have it just like rest assured that I can take care of this child. And I've been scared because this situation has literally like scared me straight. Like, are you going to be able to, like, I'm scared. I don't know, you know, I don't know. So I am going to be able to take care of the child. There's a certain amount of dependencies that I seek when I'm thinking about a child's father. Because I know, me as the mom, just me, I don't know about women in general, because different women do different things. But me as the mother, if I have a child or I have responsibility, I'm going to make sure my child's good. I'm going to always take care of my child, make sure my child's taken care of and my child's in a good situation. And I think about that in my situation. How can a man not do that the same? How can you have a child and not want to provide for that child and not have that child in the best of all situations? If you have to do what you got to do, you got to work. I have the kid all the time, so it's not like he was, you know, authorized to do that. But that's just God. Like, when you do things and you trying to do things to be malicious or evil to people, God gets you. You don't have to repay people back that do bad to you. God is going to get them together. Life is going to get them together, and swiftly, might I add. So you just have to wish people the best and pray for them. And when people hurt you, don't even have that same energy, because God's watching this situation. And if you do anything bad, you'll get your payment as well. So I think that's what I learned in this situation. And I'm just glad it's over. I'm glad it's done. I'm glad that I ain't got to worry about that piece of it. Are we still going to court? Are we still in the court process? I don't know. I don't know if we're still in the court process. What is he going to file or do or try to do? I don't know. But for right now, I'm just okay. I'm not stressed out. I'm not gonna allow myself to get stressed out. I'm just gonna pray about it and hope for the best. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that life update about the court situation. And yeah, that's what happened. So yep, love you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye, guys.